வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தாலும் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 7 டேர்ம் 1 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி யூனிட் 2 எமர்ஜென்ஸ் ஆஃப் நியூ கிங்டம்ஸ் இன் நார்த் இந்தியா லெசன் book exercise, question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, who wrote Prithvi Raj Raso? Option A, Kalhana. Option B, Vishakadatta. Option C, Rajashekara. Option D, Chand Bardai. Here the correct answer is option D, Chand Bardai. Second one, who was the first prominent ruler of Pratiharas? Option A, Bhoja I. Option B, Nagabhata I. Option C, Jayapala. Option D, Chandradeva. Here the correct answer is option B, Nagabhata I. Third one, Ghajini was a small principality in Dash. Option A, Mongolia. Option B, Turkey. Option C, Persia. Option D, Afghanistan. Here the correct answer is option D, Afghanistan. Fourth one, what was the most important cause of the invasion of Muhammad of Ghajini? Option A, to destroy idolatry. Option B, to plunder the wealth of India. Option C, to spread Islam in India. Option D, to establish a Muslim state in India. Here the correct answer is option B, to plunder the wealth of India. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, Dash was the founder of Vikramasila University. The answer is Dharmapala. Second one, Arabs conquered Sindh in Dash. The answer is ACE 712. Third one, the city of Ajmer was founded by Dash. The answer is Simharaja. Fourth one, the Kandarya temple is in Dash. The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, Khajuraho, Bundelkhand. Second one, Sun Temple, Konark. Third one, Dilwara Temple, Mount Abu. Fourth Roman letters, true or false. First one, Rajputra is a Latin word. The answer is false because it is a Sanskrit word. Second one, King Gopala was elected by the people. The answer is true. Third one, the temple at Mount Abu is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The answer is false because it is a Jain temple. Fourth one, Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brotherhood. The answer is true. Fifth one, Indians learnt the numerals 0 to 9 from Arabs. The answer is false because Arabs learnt the numerals from Indians. Fifth Roman letter, consider the following statements. Tick the appropriate answer. First one, assertion. The tripartite struggle was to have control over Kannauj. Reason, Kannauj was a big city. Option A, or is the correct explanation of A. Option B, or is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is wrong and or is correct. Option D, A and or are wrong. So here the correct answer is option B, or is not the correct explanation of A because Kannauj was a fertile land. Second one, statement 1. Mahipala could not extend his domain beyond Benares. Statement 2. Mahipala and Rajendra Chola were contemporaries. Option A, 1 is correct. Option B, 2 is correct. Option C, 1 and 2 are correct. Option D, 1 and 2 are false. Here the correct answer is option C, 1 and 2 are correct. Third one, assertion. India's Islamic period did not begin after Arab conquest of Sindh in ACE 712. Reason. Gurjara Pratiharas gave a stiff resistance to Arabs. Option A. Or is the correct explanation of A. Option B. Or is not the correct explanation of A. Option C. A is correct and or is wrong. Option D. A is wrong and or is correct. Here the correct answer is option A, or is the correct explanation of A. Fourth one, assertion. The second battle of Tarain was lost by Prithviraj. Reason. There was disunity among the Rajputs. Option A, or is the correct explanation of A. Option B, or is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is correct and or is wrong. Option D, A is wrong and or is correct. So here the correct answer is option C, A is correct and or is wrong. Fifth one, consider the following statements and find out which is or correct. Statement 1. Raksha Bandhan tradition is attributed to Rajputs. Statement 2. Tagore started a mass Raksha Bandhan festival during partition of Bengal. Statement 3. Raksha Bandhan was to counter the British attempt to create a divide between Hindus and Muslims. Option A. 1 is correct. Option B. 2 is correct. Option C. 3 is correct. Option D. All the above are correct. So here the correct answer is option D. All the above are correct. Sixth Roman letter, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1. Write about tripartite struggle over Kannauj. Question number 2. Name any 4 Rajput clans. Question number 3. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? Question number 4. Mention the first 2 early caliphates. Question number 5. Name the ruler of Sindh who was defeated by Qasim. Seventh Roman letter, answer the following. Question number 1. What was the impact of Arab conquest of Sindh? Write any 5 points. Eighth Roman letter, higher order thinking question. First one. Difference between Muhammad Ghazni's invasion and Muhammad Ghori's invasion. Question B. Find out. So, first battle of Tarain, second battle of Tarain, fought in the year, causes for the battle, who defeated whom, and what was the result. Ninth Roman letter, student activity, question B, timeline chart. Write the event for the given year in each column. Advent of Islam in India. 10th Roman letter, map work. On the river map of India, mark the territories ruled by Pratiharas, Chauhans, Palas and Paramaras. 11th Roman letter, answer grid. Question number 1. Who was the Sahi ruler of Punjab defeated by Muhammad of Ghazni? The answer is Jaipala. Second one. Rajput style of painting is called dash. The answer is Rajasthani. Third one. How many Rajput clans were there? The answer is 36. Fourth one. Who established the first Islamic empire in India? The answer is Muhammad of Ghori. Fifth one. Who was the first Sultan of Delhi? The answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Sixth one. Where is Mecca? The answer is Arabia.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.